luxury bathroom must-haves. A guide to custom bathroom renovations. Bathroom renovations are one of the most popular home improvement projects today. Not only do they add value to your home, but they also provide a relaxing retreat where you can unwind and rejuvenate. If you're looking to create a high-end, custom bathroom, you need to make sure you have all the right features and amenities. Here is a list of the top luxury bathroom must-haves. 1. Heated floors. A heated floor is a must-have in any luxury bathroom. Not only does it keep your feet warm, but it also creates a warm and inviting atmosphere. You can choose from radiant heat, which is installed beneath the floor, or a heated floor mat, which is placed on top of the existing floor. Radiant heat is more energy efficient, but a heated floor mat is easier to install. 2. Walk-in shower. A walk-in shower is a hallmark of a luxury bathroom. It creates a spacious and open feel and allows for more design options. You can choose from a variety of materials for your shower floor, including tile, stone, or even glass. A built-in bench is also a nice touch for those who want to relax and unwind. 3. Freestanding bathtub. A freestanding bathtub is a statement piece that adds a touch of luxury to your bathroom. Whether you prefer a classic clawfoot tub or a modern, sleek design, a freestanding bathtub is a must-have for any high-end bathroom. Choose a size that fits your space and add a few bath pillows for extra comfort. 4. Dual sinks. Dual sinks are a must-have for any custom bathroom renovation. Not only do they provide ample space for two people to get ready at the same time, but they also create a sense of harmony and balance in the room. Choose from a variety of sink styles, including vessel, undermount, or wall-mounted. 5. High-end fixtures. High-end fixtures can make all the difference in a luxury bathroom. From the shower head to the faucets, every detail should be top-notch. Look for fixtures made of high-quality materials, such as chrome, nickel, or gold, and choose styles that complement the overall design of your bathroom. 6. Natural light. Natural light is essential in any bathroom, but it's especially important in a luxury bathroom. If possible, install a skylight or a large window to let in plenty of natural light. You can also use dimmer switches and adjustable lighting to create the perfect ambience. 7. Luxury lighting. In addition to natural light, luxury lighting is also an important part of any high-end bathroom. Choose from a variety of lighting options, including pendant lights, sconces, and recessed lighting, to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. 8. Spa-like amenities. Spa-like amenities are a must-have in any luxury bathroom. A steam shower, a hot tub, or a sauna can help you relax and unwind after a long day. You can also add a rain shower head, body jets, and a heated towel rack for extra comfort. Conclusion. When it comes to creating a luxury bathroom, the possibilities are truly endless. From spa-like showers to heated floors and smart technology, there are a multitude of features and amenities available to enhance your bathroom experience. By incorporating these top must-haves into your custom bathroom renovation, you can transform your space into a truly high-end custom retreat.